Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you how to create this look. So it's like an autumn inspired look with golds and browns, and it's quite a simple look. I didn't use any false eyelashes or anything. I just wanted to keep it simple this time, and including this berry lip, which I think gives a nice contrast to the brown and the gold. So I'm just gonna take you through. I'm trying to do a new method this time. I'm gonna be doing a voiceover instead of talking, because I felt like my videos ended up far too long when I was talking through doing the eyeshadow process. So what I'm gonna do is just voice over the video, and let me know if you like that technique rather than me talking while I'm doing my makeup. I hope you're all keeping well, and I hope you enjoy the makeup tutorial, so bye for now. So what I'm doing right now is just applying my primer and blending it into my eyelids. Next, I'll be taking a flat eyeshadow brush and applying the lightest color all over my lid. Applying this color all over my lid just gives me an even base to work with when I apply the other shadows, and it will be much easier to blend the other shadows together. So now I'm going to apply the gold color, and that's going to go all over the bottom half of the lid. So what I've done is just taken an eyeshadow brush, and all I'm doing is patting that color into my eyelids. The reason why I pat the eyeshadow into my eyelid is because this just helps deposit the color much better. It's very effective. What I usually do for my lids is that I go above where the natural crease is, just to give some more space for when I apply my crease eyeshadow. And this just gives the illusion that your eye space is much bigger. So what I'm doing right now is just taking that dark brown color and a fluffy crease brush and just blending that out into my crease. So this isn't exactly where my crease is naturally. I tend to go above where my natural crease is, because this just gives the illusion that my eye space on my lids are much bigger, and I just find it more effective for my eyelids specifically. So as you can see, I've skipped my eye routine, so if you'd like to see my eye routine, please refer to any of my other older videos. I always use the same products every time, and it's more of a routine now, so I thought that skipping that part would be more effective at focusing more on the makeup itself and the techniques that I would like to teach. All of the products that I do use will be linked down below, so if you're ever curious, you can always look at the description and find all of my products there. I will probably in the future upload a eye routine video where you can see my eyeliner routine and my mascara, my falsies, just so that this routine is already established, and if you ever want to see that routine, you can always refer to that video, so that video will be made available soon. What I'm doing now is just applying the Man-Eater lipstick by Avon. It's a really nice lipstick. It's long lasting, and I really like the color as well. A technique that I like to use for lipsticks and lip glosses is to overline the lips. So go over the line, because this makes your lips appear bigger. it also gives a lipstick a much more aesthetic effect. You know, it makes your lips look more plump and gives the illusion that they're bigger. So this is what I like to do to make them appear bigger than they really are. Especially when you use a darker color, the lipstick will make your lips appear naturally smaller, so overlining them compensates for that problem. So this is how the look turned out. It was inspired by autumn. So there's kind of golds and browns in this eye makeup. It's quite a simple eye makeup, and I thought it would be just a good idea to create this look for like fall and autumn. I also have a new setup, so let me know if the angle's all good and give me a like or a comment down below if this angle is okay with you and if the lighting's okay, because I can cycle through warm and cold light. I had to get a new camera mount because my mirror lights actually broke, so because of what's going on in the world right now I can't get that fixed. So I had to buy a ring light with a camera mount for my phone so that I could still record videos. That's why there's been kind of a delay between the last video and this one. So I had to kind of just get that set up and so I could continue recording makeup tutorials. And yeah, just let me know if the setup is good and whether you like the lighting. I hope you enjoyed the video and look forward to some more fall inspired makeup tutorials to come soon. I have a few planned, so those will be coming probably either in this video all in one or one after the other. So I'll decide that soon. So I'll also have some Halloween tutorials coming up, so look forward to those as well. And yeah, I hope you're all keeping well and that everything is good. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!